Hi, my name is Grayson with Sea Clearly Window Cleaning. We're out here in Tualatin today, soft washing this house, cleaning the gutters, pressure washing all the concrete, and cleaning the windows inside and out. So we're just doing a total transformation on this house. I'll show some before and after pictures as well of all of that. We would love to come out to your house and give you an estimate for house wash or roof cleaning. It's always great to see the transformation that these services provide. If you'd like a free estimate, give us a call at 503-406-8667. Hope you have a great day.